Alright guys, this is going to be, I'm just going to make a short little quick video here to help you figure out what you're going to be doing for the enrichment, for the test out enrichment. Okay, you're going to go to Schoology obviously, and you're going to go to chapter 7, and you're going to go to test out. Okay, now in this test out folder, there's a folder called CSI Algebra. This is the enrichment. Now it's really good. Mrs. Allen used it in her classes. We'll see if you finish. I don't know if this will be something you can finish today, but either way you'll have tomorrow also. So it doesn't have to be a rush. I want to go for accuracy, not speed. So you obviously start right here. You kind of work your way down. Okay, so when you're trying to figure out who is Otto PEMDAS. Okay, so you're going to read through this. You're basically a detective, and you're trying to solve the mystery of who is Otto PEMDAS. Okay, so obviously as you read down here, you'll see you're going to be using the order of operations, which we're doing in this chapter. Algebraic expressions we're doing in this chapter. Combining like terms, distributing. All those things are being used in this chapter, but this is just kind of a fun way to do this. So you can see this is your list of suspects. Okay, so it could be any one of these individuals. So you'll just have to know these people. Okay, and then down here is kind of the instructions. Once you have read the letter and identified the potential suspects, you must investigate the 6 crime scenes and then try to solve the problems. Additionally, you must try and piece together 6 different clues to help you solve the cryptic message and the ultimate crime of who is Otto PEMDAS. So you're trying to figure out who's Otto PEMDAS out of these people. So like I said, you can read through this on your own, but I just want to kind of show you. And then below that little document there, you go down and here are your crime scenes. Okay, now you have to do the crime scenes in order. Okay, so when you go to scene number 1, you're going to see, last night Otto PEMDAS broke into the opera house and stole 3 parabolic shell ribs from the unique groove. Since he moves at ninja speed, the security cameras missed everything, blah blah blah. So you'll see down here number of sides of a triangle. So it's rather than just tell you x equals 3, it gives it to you in this form. Y equals the number of femurs that an average man has. If you're not sure about any of this stuff, if you're not sure how many femurs an average man has, you can use your device and look it up. Okay, and then finally your Z is going to be your number of syllables in integration. That word is integration. Okay, so obviously then you have to start here. You're gonna plug in X, plug in Y, plug in Z. You're gonna have to follow the order of operations. Okay, so you're gonna need a work for this. You're gonna need a worksheet. Okay, and basically what I want you to do is I want you to have I'm going to give you graph paper, and I want you to basically put scene 1, and then you will show your work on scene 1. Okay, and then you'll go to this one. You can see the arrow points here, and then down, then over. Eventually, you're learning what E is. So let me explain that again. So here, when you plug in X, Y, and Z, and then get whatever that value of that is right there, that's going to tell you what W is. Okay, then you're going to take whatever you learned W to be, so whatever that value of that expression is, you're going to plug then W in here, and then you'll still have X, X, and Z. And then you'll learn what A is, and then you'll plug A in, and so forth. Now, if you get negatives involved, there are a few negatives here. Just do your best with them. I mean, if you need to use a calculator, you can on the negative part, but it's pretty basic negatives, so I think you'll be okay on that. So that's kind of how it works. Then you learn what E is. So once you learn what E is, then you'll write that down. You'll figure out what E is. Then you'll go on to crime scene number 2, and it's for something very similar, obviously. You got to go through here, and I mean, you'll see. I'm going to stop there and let you kind of go from there, but you got to figure out all the scenes, which it's all going to lead you to then going to this here to try to figure out who this person is. So you just do it in that order. Okay, so it's going to be, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Be interesting to see what you guys find out.